Welcome to JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan, and I am going to be showing you all how I have been maintaining my twist out. So this is like what, maybe a week later. And remember that any videos that pop up above will always be linked down below for you to watch after this one. They're also sometimes at the cards at the end too. I used Scotch Porter for my twist out, kept it in the twist for a few days. Like I said, I am a definition person, so I've been kind of letting it slowly get bigger and bigger. And as the week has been going on, been going through and just kind of separating them as I felt them. I'd be like this. I'd be like, That's what I be doing at work, or if I'm just sitting at home and just kind of whatever in the space, and I'll be like, split. Twist. But it has helped me get my hair to this here, which, oh my gosh, I am loving this hair.
Yes, me.
It's so big and so fluffy. Let me give you a 360 of this. It's so big and fluffy. I have been loving this twist out at this bigness. Now it's getting to that point where it's like, all right, it's just about to be an afro.
Listen.
With a part, a partial part. But before I went ahead and rewashed my hair, I did want to show you all how I have been maintaining my twist out. So there are a couple of different ways from what I've seen how people maintain their twist outs. Some will do it the traditional way where they will pineapple it, throw the hair forward, push it all forward, wrap their scarf around it. I have seen where people do the banding method where they take either scrunchies, satin scrunchies, or they'll take the hair things, whatever these are, elastics, and they grab a section of hair and they wrap it around and they keep doing it all the way down the hair just to give it that extra stretch if they're trying to stretch it. Wasn't there another way that I saw that people were... I can't remember. I feel like there was another way outside of what I'm getting ready to show you, but there's a few different ways that people maintain their twist outs. Here's what I do, because number one, I'm not really stretching it, not intentionally. I guess it is stretching in a sense. This is just how I do it because it's easy for me to do, and I don't like taking a whole lot of time with hair before bed. So this is what I do. I will find random chunks of hair, like so. Wherever it seems to open up, I will grab that chunk, split it wherever that seems to open up. Sometimes I try to get it perfectly even, but I'll grab that chunk. I do a 2-strand twist. And this is how I maintain my hair. I probably should do something extra to the ends, but I don't. I just will do a general twist. And that's it. And I grab large sections. So I will do this throughout the rest of my hair. The front is always separate. The front has been really maintaining definition too. This is the unknown area, so it really likes twist outs. But yeah, that's what I do. All over my head, just grab random parts. It's never the same every night. It depends on how sleepy I am, on how big the parts are or how big the chunks are that I grab. But it's never the same. Typically, I'll do the front. This here, you'll get maybe 2 out of this section, 2 out of this section, 1 or 2 in the back. So it ends up being about, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, anywhere from 7 to 8 large twists. That's all I do. And then when I get up in the morning, I take the twists, unravel them, and then spread them out. Spread them out. Just like that. Beginning and end.
Period.
And throughout the day, I may shake. And like I said, I have been randomly just finding thicker pieces that are still kind of clumped together. And I simply will take a finger, put it between there, pull it apart. That's it. And that has gotten me to this big, fluffy, frothy, very frizzy, semi-defined in some areas look. So that is how I have been maintaining my twist out. Now, what I was doing the first couple of nights, I did have a scarf on just to keep the twist downward. The last couple of nights, I've just been thrown on the bonnet, and however they come out when I separate it and pull it apart, that's just how it's gonna be. But pretty much it keeps like the same shape. I do not do the most when it comes to maintaining my twist out at night. And if your products are good enough, then you should still have your definition once you, if you do this method, if your stuff is good. All right, so let me know in the comments down below, how do you maintain your twist outs at night? Do you add product? And I've not added any product. No, I tell a lie. One day when I was taking them down, I did put some of the serum on my hands just because I wanted to be a little bit more shiny for the day. But outside of that, nothing extra. Nothing extra. So yeah, let me know what your process is when you are maintaining your twist at night. Do you add product throughout the week? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, so make sure that you like this video, press the red subscribe button. I have tons of things to share. Feel free to share this out if someone else may want to know another method or a method or my method of maintaining your twist at night and how easy it really can be. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I share my videos. And again, thank you for tuning into JermaineAuNatural, and I'll see you in the next one.